Hey everybody, and welcome to today's video. I am going to be making a another ephemera pocket, and I'm going to be decorating an envelope to go with it. And I'm using supplies from the Your Creative Studio kit. I got this in February, but I'm actually now not sure if it is February's kit. I did the unboxing a couple days ago. So I'm assuming that it's a February's kit. The thank you card said it was for February, but when I went to their website to see what the deal was with December and January, it said that they were mixing some boxes around. So I don't actually know if this was meant for a different month or not. Either way, this is the box that I'm using. It is the butterfly themed box. And like I said in the unboxing, we are Encanto obsessed right now, and the major theme in that movie, or the icon, is a butterfly, and so it felt very suitable and very fitting to work with butterflies this week. My husband was exposed to COVID I guess it was, I don't know, it was a while ago now. And unfortunately, he did get sick. And while he had a very mild go at it, it didn't get into his lungs yet. Thankfully, he's still not finished. He has had a pretty decent go at it, and we're very thankful for that. The gentleman that he got it from actually was hospitalized when my husband was notified that he was positive. So it's definitely different for every single person, and we're just super grateful that it didn't hit him as hard as his coworker. Actually, it's his cousin. They work together. And my older son has developed symptoms, and he went to the doctor today, and they're pretty confident that it is COVID. They tested him, but we don't have the results back yet. But he's asthmatic, so we are being very cautious with him. We're doing breathing treatments, and got him on 2 different steroids to help ensure that we can support his lungs as best as we can. And they're pretty sure that I had it. I had what I would call like a heat flash fever, where you just get really, really hot really randomly, and you're just like, oh, I just am so hot, I can't stop sweating. But it didn't really slow me down other than that. So we're thinking she made fun and said it was those good mommy antibodies, and I kind of laughed her off at first, but she sort of explained that mothers get exposed to everything, especially mothers who have children that are in school. And I've got children going to 2 different schools. So we're exposed to a lot of different things, and we have to care for them. And so our bodies really know what to do. And though my body doesn't really know what to do with COVID, it was pretty well equipped. And I started taking vitamins. I had already been taking a lot of vitamins, but I upped the ante and started taking a couple of different new ones that I know were good, especially for fighting COVID. And it managed to save me, which is lucky because I'm still able to take care of everybody else. The babies are really congested right now, and they're starting to develop a little bit of a cough. So it's really yucky around here, so I'm really lucky that I was able to find the time to sort of craft and create and sort of have this downtime to be able to do something just for me that I will in turn send to somebody else, obviously after an appropriate amount of time. I'm not going to be sending COVID through the mail, and then obviously disinfect everything, but it's just nice to be able to have this time for me to be able to do this and then film it and be able to share it with you guys, because you guys know me. I'm going to do this no matter what, and filming it just is a no-brainer for me. It takes me no time at all. I'm a professional at editing these videos now, and the longest part is the voiceover, because I have to find like 10 to 15 minutes sometimes to sit down and have a quiet space for that. But I enjoy doing it, and with everything our family is going through right now, it's really nice to have that. I do want to apologize. I know the lighting is a little bit funky. It's been overcast here for the past week, and it's really kind of I'm really hoping that the sun comes out, because it's not even raining. It's not even like, oh, a nice cuddly cozy rainy day. It's just gray outside. So that has made my filming a little bit weird. I've been trying to stay on top of things, even though we've had a lot going on at home, but I don't know. You keep going, right? I hope everybody is doing well and getting pumped for Valentine's Day. I luckily had sent out my Valentines and had them all prepped and ready to go. And the second that we got those new love stamps, they were gone. And I got Patreon done super early this month. I sent those out on like the 3rd or the 4th of the month. So those were ready to go super early. See, the sun's starting to peek out and making my lighting weird. um, but yeah, so I'm really grateful that I was able to have all of that stuff done and ready to go before things got crazy here. Like I said, it wasn't really that bad. I'm really counting our blessings with that because I know that some people have it way, 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 way worse, and I'm super aware of that. And I know that no one's out of the clear yet, but yeah, I just want to be able to share. I feel like this is an open space. Like I said, unfortunately, my husband got it from work. You can't avoid that. We have always been super cautious and super aware of where we're going and what we're doing and how exposed we are, and we have not had any issues until now. My husband got it from work and brought it home, and there's really nothing we can do about that. So kind of a bummer, but yeah, thankfully it's not worse. Anyway, so I'm decorating this envelope now, and I thought I wanted to use these bigger papers, but it just didn't make sense. I'm just going to go in and embellish it a little bit more with some stickers. These are from my own stash. They didn't come in the kit. And then I'm going to add a mailing label, and then it's basically good to go. But I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. Please feel free to subscribe if you are not subscribed already so you don't miss any videos in the future. And then you can go back and watch the hundreds of other videos that I have available to view right now. If you have any questions, as always, please feel free to leave them down below. I love interacting in the comments below. If you are on Instagram, you can find me over on Instagram because I'm sharing reels over there a lot more often. I'm not into the shorts here on YouTube. I haven't figured that out quite yet, but I will get there eventually. The formatting is just really weird. But yeah, I would love to connect with you guys on all social medias, so feel free to add me so that we can connect on all avenues. And I'm bringing everything in a little bit closer. I made these tags right here over on Instagram in a reel. So if you're interested on seeing how I made those, you can find those on Instagram. They're really lovely. And I love how they turned out. And I'm going to include one in this little pocket. Here they are right there. I just added some grommets and some pretty twine and put little envelopes on the back and stuffed them full of pretty butterfly stickers, and now they're ready to go off into the world. But that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. You have some more inspiration on the screen now if you want to watch another video, but until next time, I'll catch you later. Thanks. Bye.